Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. And guys, today we're standing on board a brand new Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. Here in Sarasota, when we build these, we love to load them up. It's the way our clientele likes them. It's the way that we like them. So guys, this boat has got top power, 150 horsepower from Mercury with hydraulic steering. In addition to that, this boat has all this nice rear seating. These are drop out, these pop out here. You can unbuckle the cushions if you'd like. You've got a live well leaning post. What that means is this transitions, and underneath, you've got a great and lit live well. Same story is true at the dash. Everything on this boat basically that you can get. That means JL audio stereo with 4 speakers. It means that Simrad VHF, and it also means a Simrad GPS unit with a 3-in-1 transducer that actually works very effectively. Also, courtesy of a little bit of shade, overhead this boat's got the powder coated T-top. It is a high dollar option, and in my mind, it's so worth it. These canvas T-tops are really, really big compared to their fiberglass counterparts. Love this option on the boat. Forward of the boat, you have the trolling motor panel ready to go if you want to do that. Don't have to, but it's ready to go if you want it. You also have the forward cushion, which is an option, and for the fishing package boats that have this cushion here, you have the Yeti cooler. That is also an option, extremely nice. Guys, this is a brand spanking new Boston Whaler 190 Montauk, and if you want the nicest one out there, come grab this one in light blue with top options throughout. I'm Jeremiah, this is MarineMax, Sarasota, Florida. Give us a shout if you want to see this boat.